Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you this Kim Kardashian inspired look. I love how it turned out. I'm so excited to be doing this video in the first place. I love celebrity inspired looks. I just love seeing people's takes on them. So yeah, I really enjoyed doing this. I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you guys would like to see more of these recreations, let me know and I will do more. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filled in my brows with the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I went for a more full coverage brow instead of leaving it on the more natural side. And now I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Color Correcting Primer. It's the green one. I love this stuff. It's perfect for any redness or acne and hyperpigmentation. So more on the screen, I'm going to insert a picture of the look I'm going for. The only thing I don't like about doing my brows first is that I have to be super careful not to fudge them. Oh, this primer creates such a smooth canvas. Okay, now for foundation, I'm going in with the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream in the shade Nude. This is the most full coverage foundation that I own. I absolutely love it. Nothing will show through it, like hyperpigmentation or anything like that. Perfect for people with acne-prone skin. So I just sprayed some Mario Badescu spray on my beauty blender, and now I'm going to go in with foundation. For concealer, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair. Since the shade is super light, it's going to give that perfect Kim Kardashian bright under eye look. That looks really good. Okay, to set the face, I actually have a whole story about this. I tried filming this video a few days ago and I tried out the new Tarte Amazonian Clay Setting Powder and it was a disaster. So I go with my beauty blender to put it under my eyes and set my forehead, my nose, and my chin, and it just turned into a cloud of dust. It went up my nose, in my eyes. I was coughing up a storm. It left this very white cast under my eyes that my brush wasn't dusting off. And I was like, okay, let me try a few more things, maybe it'll go away. It oxidized, like 5 shades darker than my actual skin tone. It ruined the whole makeup look. I didn't even get to finish. It was just such a mess. So yeah, today I'm gonna go in with the RCMA translucent powder because it never does me wrong. And yeah, the first impression didn't work out. I don't like to leave the baking powder sitting there for too long. I feel like it makes your skin super dry if you leave it on for too long. So I wait about 30 seconds and then I dust it off. To dust it off, I'm going in with a big powder brush. For bronzer, I'm going to go in with the NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Deep Tan. You have to go in with a super light hand because it could get very dark very quickly. I'm taking the brush from Morphe, the R2 brush. I like to pat it on there and then I'll blend it in. And now onto top of that, I'm going in with the Becca Capri Coast Sunlit Bronzer. I'm going to do my forehead, my nose, my jawline, and I'm going to go over my cheeks with this bronzer. I'm going to set the nose contour with some baking powder on the side. For blush, I'm going in with the Steve Laurent blush. I actually got this in my Ipsy bag and I really like it. It's in the shade Rosé All Day. It's this super pink shade. Definitely going with a light hand because it picks up a lot of product. And it's very pigmented. Okay, in the picture, Kim Kardashian doesn't have very much highlight on, but since I love highlight and I'm kind of doing my own spin on this, we're gonna add some. For highlight, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby highlighter. Looks like this. I'm taking the shade, well, Hustla Baby, but it's this one right here. Super pretty. I'm going in with a fan brush from Morphe. I'm not going to go ham with the highlighter, but I'm going to give a generous amount. Because Kim Kardashian always has beautiful glowy skin. That is it for the face. So before we move on to the eyes, I'm going to be taking a First Impressions, which is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Jaclyn Hill raves about this, so I'm very excited to use it. For something to beat my all-nighter takes a lot, so I like the smell of it. It smells like baby wipes and sunscreen. Yeah, I think that's an accurate description. This might actually beat my Urban Decay one. Wow, I really like it. And you can tell that it just like melts into your skin and blends all the powders together. So it's an A+ for me. I'm going to be priming my eyes with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I'm going to set the eye primer with some translucent powder, the same one. And while I have the translucent powder out, I'm going to be baking underneath the contour. It's just going to give it a more precise line. For the eyes, I'm going to be taking the Master Palette by Mario. These are what the shades look like. To me, this is such a Kim Kardashian palette. She always has browns and some shimmers and some smoky eyes, but it's always warm tones. So I think this is the perfect palette for this kind of tutorial. To start off, I'm going to be taking Isabel, this burnt orange shade, with a Sephora Pro Blending brush. But first, I'm going to dust the powder off. Next, I'm going in with the shade Violetta, this darker brown color, with a Morphe M433 brush. I'm taking this in the outer V and then working it inward. And then I'm taking the shade Fifth Avenue and placing that all along the lid. I'm just going to go in with a flat top brush that looks like this. It's great for packing on color. I'm also going to take the shade on the brow bone and on the teardrop. Wow, look at that. This is like my favorite brow bone highlight. I'm going over with the shade Isabel in the crease. This is a very easy eye look. Very simple, 3 colors. And then I'm going to go over with the shade Violetta again. And then I'm going over with Fifth Avenue once more. That eye is complete. I'm going to do the other eye and then I will be back for a liner and lashes. Okay, the eyeshadow is done. I'm quickly going to set my brows with the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I think this works just as well as any high-end mascara. High-end brow gel, because it does set my brows really well and they stay in place all day, so it's definitely worth saving the money for something that does a really good job. So that is that. Those are going to dry, and now I'm going to apply a liner. I'm using the NYX Black Vinyl Liner. I also like the matte one. So yeah, I've never applied a liner on camera. Typically I lean forward into my mirror, but I will do my best. I always outline the liner first and then I go back and fill it in. That is one eye. I'm going to do the other one off camera. For lashes, I'm taking the House of Lashes and Sephora Seductress. They're full volume and glamour style. Unfortunately, they are limited edition. They retail for $14 and you can find them at Sephora. Those are the lashes I'm using. I've been loving them lately. I'm going to be applying them with the Duo Lash Glue. I've been having problems with this lash glue lately. I like the product, but getting it out of the bottle is difficult for me now. I never used to have this problem. The other day I was actually trying to get the glue out of the bottle to put on my lashes and it wouldn't come out, so I cut the tip and it literally just blasted out and it went all over the carpet and it got on the ceiling somehow and the curtains. It was a disaster. Luckily I got it all out, except it's still on the ceiling because I can't reach the ceiling, so I'm still gonna have to figure out how to fix that. But yeah, so if anybody has any lash glue recommendations, please let me know down below. I've been looking at the House of Lashes one and I think I'm gonna go with that one. So if anybody's tried that and likes it or dislikes it, please let me know your opinion down below. Oh no, no, let's be simple, no, love is simple. Promise me no promises. I better find your heart. Yeah, I love is nothing's gonna tear us apart. The lashes are on and popping. Okay, so I'm going to do the lower lash line and then I'm going to go back and cover up the lash band because I'm sure some glue must show through. So for the lower lash line, I'm taking the brush that came with the palette. It's dual-ended. I'm going to be taking this side of it. It's perfect for getting right under the lash line. So I'm going to be taking Violetta, the dark brown color, super thin and close to the lash line, and then I'm going to be smoking it out with the shade Isabella, the burnt orange color. Next, I'm going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I love this one. It used to be my all-time favorite until I discovered the L'Oreal Lash Paradise one, which took over everything, and I've been using it ever since. This one, the Too Faced one, retails for $24, I believe, and the L'Oreal Lash Paradise retails for $8 or $8.99, so $9. And it does just as an amazing job. So if you guys want to save money, then I definitely recommend the L'Oreal one. Okay, so the lower lashes are done. Now I'm going to go in with lip liner. So I'm going in with the NYX lip liner in Peekaboo Neutral. I think this is a pretty good dupe for MAC Soar, which is one of my favorite MAC lip liners. Let me show you the difference. Obviously, the MAC one goes on super smooth and is very pigmented. The MAC one retails for $18 and the NYX one retails for $3.99. So $4, I'm pretty sure. If you guys want to save money, then of course go with the NYX one. It works just as well. It takes a little bit longer because it's not as pigmented and doesn't go on as smoothly, but for an extra 30 seconds, I'll do it. For liquid lipstick, I'm going in with the ABH liquid lipstick in Stripped. It's such a beautiful nude. I really like this color. And Kim Kardashian always has the perfect nude lip. So. I'm adding some gloss in this look. I just wanted to look a little bit more sheen. So I'm going in with the Ultra Glossy Lip in the color Atole. I love this color, it's so good. This one and the Moonchild gloss that Kathleen Lights created is amazing. They're my favorite. So that is that. And lastly, we're going in with the Morphe Setting Spray that has now replaced my Urban Decay All-Nighter. Oh, amazing, guys. This feels so amazing. It retails for $15 and best purchase ever. I kid you not, I've never had a better setting spray in my life. Thank you guys for watching. This completes our look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.